All right, so today we're doing Eagle Falls. We're gonna go all the way up to Eagle Lake, but we're starting down here at the lower Eagle Falls. Gonna hike up there. I think it's gonna take about an hour to get up there, so we're looking forward to it. Follow us as we get up to Eagle Lake. After you leave the parking lot, you're going to go along this wooden walkway here to the trailhead. Again, we have never done Eagle Falls before, so we'll see what this hike is like. Off to Eagles Falls, hun, today.
Yay!
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
You can hear the water, eh? Yeah. So after about 300 yards from the parking lot, you come up to this first little fall here. Let's see if we can get a shot of that. It's not a bad workout though. Huh? Yeah. So right here at that first bridge. Like I said, it's a little hike up there. You're gonna have to be in some shape. There's some steep stairs. A lot of work to get up to this first point here. You may only make it to the, to that first bridge. But if you only do that, it's well worth the walk. Oh, but let's trail on. Let's go. So this is what the majority of the trail looks like coming up here. So if you've got any mobility issues, you're not coming up here to the lake, that's for sure. They say it's about a mile, right, Carrie?
I think it's about 6/10 of a mile.
To the from the parking lot up to the lake. Yeah, it feels like 3 miles. So it was some work. All right, babe, on a scale of 1 to 5 as far as degree of difficulty coming up to going to Eagle Lake.
Well, I would say that it's a 4. I mean, it's very short. It's just uphill on rocks the whole way, so I don't know, 4 maybe?
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah, I think between a 3 and a 4, I mean...
I don't know what a 5 would look like unless you have
You're right,
you got ropes and you're tying off.
Yeah, so maybe between a 3 and a 4, we'll say. So, but you are definitely going to work to get to the lake. So we've already taken 5 short breaks so far, and probably a couple more before we get there. Always fascinated when you look at how do these trees grow so big, right? And grow out of these rocks and last such a long time. Huh? Yeah.
Oh.
I don't know. Oh, yeah. Very nice. Well, we made it to the lake. I'll tell you what, that was a little bit more work than I really expected it to be. I'll tell you, if you're going to come up here, bring some water. A lot of steps, it's a lot of rocks, and so you're gonna get a good workout. But I'll tell you what, we almost stopped halfway, and we're like, you know what, I don't know. But we are so glad that we decided to take the rest of the way. Carrie's on the other side over there. She didn't want to walk over here. But let me show you a better view of this lake right here. I mean, just look at that. Wow. So, scale 1 to 5, was it worth the hike?
Oh,
Yeah?
12.
A 12.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was pretty epic. Well, it's Eagle Lake. We did it. We made it. It was a little bit of a workout, I'll tell you. I wasn't expecting it, but we are so glad that we made the trip up here. Started down at Lower Eagles Falls, hiked all the way here to Eagle Lake. I mean, just look at that. That's spectacular. It's stunning. It's well worth the hike. And I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed our trails and our hikes here while we were in Tahoe. Subscribe to our channel, and as always, keep dreaming and travel safe.